Omron's K6CM series is a motor maintenance monitor that helps avoid motor failure by identifying the need for maintenance activity in advance. By using changes in current noise, temperature, and vibration of a three-phase motor, the K6CM series can help identify bearing failures and motor replacement needs. Additionally, maintenance personnel can easily understand the motor's condition using the K6CM local display. When an abnormality occurs in the load, such as bearing, rotary shaft, or reducer, the motor does not rotate smoothly, and a distortion occurs in its current waveform. The K6CM monitor measures the motor's distortion as a degradation level. This motor maintenance monitor is ideal for water pumps, HVAC systems, agricultural equipment, escalators, and other applications that have requirements for monitoring and predicting motor failures.